Hello everyone, welcome to another Inner Life 101 video. Here it is. I have a little clip from, looks like the only one that really got any video from the bond hearing today was this guy from Beagle Mess, and it is a mess too, I tell you. I can't, you know, it's hard to see with all of that stuff running across the screen, but here we are.
If you could please Black yourself. Thank you. Black excellence. Okay, are you able to hear me now, Ms. Winter? I am, Judge. Thank you.
It's a different judge.
My voice tends to waver at times. Having heard argument from counsel, the motion for bond is going to be denied. I do find the defendant to be a danger to the community, a risk to intimidating the victim. There is also a risk of flight, and also the risk of committing an additional felony. So therefore, bond will be denied. That will conclude its hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor, and that concludes my business before you this morning. May I be excused?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
Our next case.
Position number 8, Judge.
Dang! Yo!
There you have it. Some kind of video, I guess. I guess the news will have it later. I looked around on the news channels and I couldn't, it's kind of early, so they haven't been able to process anything if they were there or if they were, probably live or either on Zoom. They haven't processed it yet. So, bail denied, bond denied, whatever that is, and apparently that they're saying that he's a risk of committing other felonies. So it's not that he actually did commit another felony while he was in. That's what I thought they said before, but but they did say he intimidated a witness, or he was at risk of intimidating a witness. So they heard that call, obviously, where he was telling them to get into contact with Janae. So, okay, guys, peace and blessings. I'll see you in the next one. Do me a favor, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will do it again. Peace.